Hi, in this video of Yoga Lok, we have with us Smita Godbole. She is a software engineer turned yoga instructor. She is the founder of Adinath Yoga Institute. Let's have a quick chat with her. So, Smita, let's just start with your background and how you got into yoga.
Hello everyone. Basically, I have been doing yoga since my childhood. Since fifth standard, I'm used to with the yoga practices, and I'm doing it for myself. I have benefited a lot through the practices. By academics, I did my software engineering. Then I worked for a year in that profession. After marriage, we planned for the baby. After having baby, I have to restart again my career. So that time while doing yoga only, I get to know that this is beneficial and this I can spread to the world. In fact, that was the year 2012. तब yoga day भी नहीं था. And then I feel like this should reach to a lot of people to gain more and more benefits out of yoga practices, because yoga is not just the yoga practices, exercise or the relaxation techniques. It is way beyond. It is a way of loving your life or living your life happily. Then I get into this profession, and that time only when I started my classes, I got an offer from the IT background also at the same time. And student pushed me, whoever there in that class that time 2015 around, they told me, no, you born for this and you go ahead, class automatically grow hota jayega. Then I started my career just with from one student, and now 150 active student. It is a journey of my whole yoga practices. Not just we have our regular classes out here which benefits our students, but we do have a corporate sessions also. In between 2019, I got a job in NCL2, where I worked as a yoga instructor in a project which is funded by the DST, Department of Science and Technology. And our project was for yoga for diabetes management. And उसका जो पेपर है वो अभी पब्लिश होगा in few months only. This is how the journey begins, from one student to 150 students, from one corporate to 15 to 20 corporates now. Many things we learn. Now we are recently, from last year, we have started with our teacher training course as well, which are benefiting to the upcoming trainers also.
Smita, doing yoga for yourself and teaching yoga to others, याच्याबद्दल तू काय सांगशील?
So doing for yoga for self is absolutely amazing. When you connect with yourself, you love yourself doing the yoga practices. And when I started doing yoga for myself, initially before starting getting into this career, तो टाइम लिमिट नहीं था. आई गो ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग. देन कभी कभी हजबंद आके बीच में, हाँ भी बस हो गया, चलो उठ जाओ, ऐसे हो जाता था. एंड देन नाउ व्हेन आई एम इनटू दिस प्रोफेशन टोटली, सो बैचेस के जो टाइमिंग है विच इज एक्चुअली द बेस्ट टाइमिंग फॉर अदर्स टू प्रैक्टिस, बट उस वक्त मुझे मेरी थोड़ी थोड़ी कट कट में ऐसे प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है. सो देन आई फिगर आउट अ वे कि आफ्टर द क्लासेस आई मेक श्योर दैट आई डू माई वर्कआउट फॉर एटलीस्ट 30 minutes एवरी डे. एंड मेडिटेशन के लिए कम टाइम मिलता है अदरवाइज टू. सो आई ट्रेन माई माइंड सच दैट while I am teaching meditation, I am meditating also. So in that way, I can give benefit through yoga to others also and to myself also.
So, Smita, I would want you to tell our viewers about some of your certifications, achievements.
Okay. So as I already told you, by academics, I did BCom, then MCM, Master of Computer Management. Then I did my second Master of Science in Yoga. I'm master level certified from YCB Yoga Certification Board too. I did Ashtanga Yoga certification. I'm a Iyengar Yoga practitioner since last 9 years. I completed my master level of YCB, that is Yoga Certification Board too. And now achievement, if you are saying, then I'm a state level champion in yoga competitions. So we have started a yoga instructor course of SVASA University. We got the affiliation from SVASA University, and for that I got felicitated from the Modi's Yoga Guru, Dr. H.R. Nagendranath. Also further in the yoga journey, I was a yoga instructor in NCL on a research project Yoga for Diabetes Management, for which paper is going to publish in next 2-3 months.
On this yoga day, what message would you like to give our viewers on yoga?
The very first thing which came in my mind is start now. It's always now or never. Why? Because the early you start, the more benefit you get from the yoga practices. Just like a machine, if you get any kind of new machine in your house and उसको आप अगर सर्विसिंग करते रहते हो, उसी तरीके से अपनी बॉडी रिएक्ट करती है. एट द यंग एज योर ऑर्गन्स आर सो पावरफुल. अगर आप तभी योगा आपके लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लेते हो, तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिलेंगे. आपकी बॉडी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्दी रह पाएगी फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड यू कैन डिले द एजिंग प्रोसेस. Okay, so do it now. And so the rightly said, Atha Yoganushasana. Henceforth, hereafter at Adinath Yoga Institute, the discipline of yoga started.
So this was Smita Godbole from Adinath Yoga Institute. Hope her journey from software engineering to a yoga instructor inspires you all. Thank you.